In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IC markets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the official website, connect on TradingView, and log in through MetaTrader, all while staying safe from lookalike links and fake apps. First, head to the official IC Markets website. The correct domains are icmarkets.com and icmarkets.eu. Type one of those directly into your browser's address bar to avoid misleading ads, and check for the secure lock icon next to the URL. If you use a search engine, double-check the spelling and make sure the result points to one of those two domains. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it confidently in the future. On the official site, you'll find everything you need in one place. You can create a new trading account, log into the client area if you already have one, and download the trading platforms MT4, MT5, or cTrader. For context, IC Markets is a global Forex and CFD broker that provides access to markets like Forex, stocks, commodities, and crypto CFDs. If you're just getting set up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the client area layout. It's where you'll manage accounts, funding, and platform downloads. If your goal is to connect IC Markets inside TradingView, start by opening TradingView on the web or app. Look for the trading panel at the bottom of the charting interface. In the list of brokers, search for IC Markets, then click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to your IC Markets account so TradingView can link to your trading account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first on the official IC Markets website, then return to TradingView to complete the connection. For MetaTrader users, open MT4 or MT5 on your computer. Go to File, then choose Login to Trade Account. In the server field, type IC Markets or IC Markets SC to bring up the available servers. Select the server that matches your account type, such as Demo or Live, then enter your login details to connect. If the server list seems incomplete, retype the server name carefully and wait a moment for the list to refresh. Make sure you're using the exact server noted in your account details. A quick but important safety reminder: avoid random links, pop-ups, and unofficial apps. Stick to icmarkets.com or icmarkets.eu and download platforms either from the official IC Markets website or trusted app stores listing the verified publisher. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll find IC Markets the official, safe way and connect smoothly on the platforms you use.